Well, we're getting ready to go on our trip. This is Wednesday the 26th. Wednesday night. Tomorrow is Thursday, the day. Well, we're all set to go. Got the trailer hitched up. And it's Thursday morning. And we're out of here. Welcome to Virginia, huh?
Yeah.
We're just out of Richmond, just off of Route 1. 10 miles south of Ashland. We hit one bump. The wheel that used to be over there, look down there. Wheel that used to be down there, well now it's wrapped over the hill.
Now what are we going to do about it?
Well, buddy, we're going to take the box off the trailer.
Yeah?
Throw the trailer away.
Oh.
Put the box in that there U-Haul right there.
Okay. Nice U-Haul. Nice trailer. Go, Dad. There's our bikes. They're all taken apart. Hey Jason, how you do? What are you doing today?
Getting hurt.
How hurt?
Falling on my head.
Ah. Why is that? You better not say that on camcorder, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
Do I cut it?
Yep. Turn off.
How?
Press record.
Press the red button.
Mm.
Yeah. We're all unloaded here. Now we can put that box on this trailer. Yeah, see what happened.
Here we are on our way. Lake Landor.
You're not taping.
Our U-Haul.
You're not taping.
Jason. There's Matt.
Do you see the U-Haul? Because it looks like you're just pointing it at the hat in the back window.
The hat. No. See U-Haul. That's the hat. And there's our box trailer up on the top there. And there's the roof to it, inside of it. And the other pieces are inside of the box.
You can drop it on the road and then fall apart.
Hmm.
Gotta make you listen because that's
Where are we? And my mom's sitting there, Mom, why don't you say that again?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. She was admitting she, kind of slammed the box.
Oh, yeah, well, that I did.
But she said it in a different term.
But if I do something, I do as well.
Yes, you do. Yes,
Very
you do.
well. Right, Daddy?
Right.
Right.
She wrapped that axle up so tight, couldn't even use it anymore. And she also bent the shocks.
You don't have to be fed for the week that you're out.
Oh, that's what I do. Then I can't get any fat. Uphill. Up. thank you.
I'm sorry, son. I wasn't listening.
Here we come to Lake Landor.
Oh, somebody better scream, yay!
All right.
Yay!
Be quiet. I'm trying to tell Dad something.
Man, buddy, I'm sorry.
Just a minute.
Everybody's gonna have to wait.
Totally excited to be here.
So stop. So I'll stop.
All right.
Be on our way. Whoa. Get them nice tall trees.
Camping, aren't they?
This camera.
What campground thing do we own?
We don't own any campgrounds. We're borrowing.
Yeah.
We're staying at 9, 10, and 11. Slow, children. Children playing.
This is the office?
There's the lake. They've been focusing us, right? There's the lake. They put in a new playground.
Nice. Brilliant.
Cool. Put in some new stuff.
Pardon me, everybody. I will return, everybody. I'll park in the shade.
Dad?
Well,
Dad?
What?
that's all for now. The U-Haul we had to get because of the trailer.
An old junky thing.
And there's our box.
Torn up.
Right there, and inside, if you can see, over here, a lot of our gear is in there. Also, you also have a tire right there, some sleeping bags. That's a soda, non-chairs. Here's the back of the trailer. What is that? Oh, bumper. This is the back to our box. We dismantled it. Some tiki torches. I gotta count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I think I miscounted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many are we supposed to have?
11. His daddy's 7, his grandmother's 4.
Daddy, 7.
Daddy was 7, grandmother gave him 1. Each one of gave him 10, and grandmother gave him 1.
I walked.
Guess that adds up. Nice view of the sun, don't you think? And Dad's in there renewing his cards.
No.
Well, here we are. This is Saturday. Here's our domain. The trailer's gone, U-Haul's back. And guess what? They're here! Yep. That's their camper, Rudy and April, and that's their fire, and those are my ribs on his fire. And here they come in the truck. These ribs sure smell good on your fire. Boy, look at that face.
Please take this.
You see the bug upside down? The bug
Take this.
upside down? Dad, can I sit in there on the floor? This bug's biting me. Oh, yeah?
Do you see any bugs?
I don't. I've been out here. I'm sweating and hot.
Dad, you have a shirt off? No, you have a shirt.
Go put a shirt on.
Oh, they only attack.
Hey, Uncle Alan.
Laney, you turkey.
Sit next to her and help her.
Those are leaves.
I want her to eat her meat.
There's bugs on sleeves.
Michael,
I'm gonna go sit
What a shot.
picking his nose.
on me. And they're gonna eat me too. Hi, Lainey. Wave. Happy birthday, Dad. To you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. No, your Daddy. I know. Daddy. That's Jason's bike. And that's the fire. Bye.
Very careful.
I bet so.
Lane's a little ham over
If
there.
it was with us, in the trailer, it would have been destroyed.
I don't give you all things that I
Happy
think you might
birthday, Dad.
destroy. That's why you didn't get the
Thank you, Christopher.
Well, it would have been destroyed, because if I would have found it, it would have been gone.
That's it. You got forks and stuff to
Coconut.
Forks. Oh, forks. Give us forks. They're in the bathroom.
Forks, yeah. Good thing.
Lady, stay out of there if you want some cake. You have to make your choice. You want cake or you want cookies? Okay, let's roll these back up. Good choice, good choice. All right, way to go.
You shut up.
Okay.
Hey, when this is...
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Chris. Today, happy
Candle to burn.
Doggone.
What?
You're a little sneaky.
Good, all right.
Hey, Shabu.
Oh.
Thanks, hon.
Hey, Shabu.
Okay.
Hey.
We got 3 forks left in case
He's at the campsite with us. He's being on staff. Can I light one up? Bye, Uncle Alan. You know.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow, you found another one.
Get off my bike.
So this way so no baby doesn't
Matt, get over here. Dad's opening up presents.
So did I.
Lenny, you're in the picture.
It says, I'm glad you're my brother.
I did it
I
on
hate to think
accident.
I fell.
Laney, you're in the picture.
I found it last night.
Happy birthday.
Lady, no, you're dirty, and I just took
Happy
a shower, honey. Go sit in your chair, lady. Matthew?
Look at Rudy Nipple. Thank you, guys.
Laney, come here.
Matthew Burton!
Then you're in the picture.
Huh? What's that? Okay.
No, that's
You're being extremely rude, not only to grandmother, but to your father. We're celebrating his birthday. Does he get up and leave when it's the middle of your birthday? I told you to do off one point.
And I did.
Yes, you were.
Oh, happy birthday, son. It's time for your mother.
We got that. Catching up with him now.
Happy birthday, son, with love from your mother. I always thought when you were grown, I wouldn't mind a wit. But I kind of miss you needing me a teeny bit. I'm just a silly mother, but I'm learning day by day. You'll have to tell me when I act too motherly, okay? Okay.
Hey, it's a great smart. Okay. Remember, we practiced this.
I'm glad you're independent. It makes me proud. But then, they'll always be my baby. Oops, I'm doing it again. I'm sure sometimes my help... Did you write this song? I'm sure sometimes my helpfulness is kind of hard to take, but if my mother's such a habit, it's kind of hard to break. So, do you know what?
They've been here longer than you.
Okay. I'm going to need some practice. I ain't going holding back. But give me time eventually. I'm sure I'll get the next. So please be patient with me when I cross or overdue. I'm just a silly mother who's still sillier than you. Happy birthday.
That's Christmas.
Yeah. That's the one. That's the one. Yay. That's the one. Oh, well, wait, go ahead.
Huh?
What did I got in there? Oh, okay.
Alan, what is she doing?
Ooh.
Oh, I think you have to start.
Set up earmuffs.
Cool, earmuffs.
She's gonna miss him opening his present.
Mama, thank you. Ooh.
Oh, wow. How sharp.
What?
I saw that.
Oh, me.
Oh,
What is that?
I like
Ooh.
Oh, that's beautiful. You can't wear that out there.
No.
We're
No
going
time
to
holding it.
Smokey Pose.
Dad, show it to the camera.
Drop barbecue sauce on the front of it, I'm sure.
Yeah, you're right.
Camera.
Can-
Something
Oh,
like
it's kind of hot.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm about. Can you go it here?
I can feel it.
well, we just have to move on.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, honey. Happy birthday.
Show her a new trick with ice cubes.
What?
You'll have to just teach her a new trick with ice cubes.
I just took an ice cube bath myself.
Did you?
Oh, just reach in for the cards first. This is pretty, as you can see, smashed it with all of our stuff, you know.
Pardon
We
me.
can make flames a little taller.
Boy, nice fire though, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
Sure that's not cold though.
Yeah, it was fun when it was cold.
Time to reinvent American birthday celebration. The 100% guarantee a happy birthday. And by 100%, I mean at least 80% or 60%. And by guarantee, I mean, oh well, go ahead. Have a waffle.
Have a waffle?
You have to read it again, Mom.
Oh,
I like that
Political
part.
birthday card.
What's that?
Oh, Billy! Oh, yeah, okay. He and I went to school
Did Alan
together.
pick that out?
No, I did.
You did too.
Have a
Because
waffle.
I got it, he said, who got that for somebody else? I'm like, really? No, anybody here remember getting the
It
same
does
card?
seem kind of familiar.
It does, yeah, but after he said that. That one I've had for a while, Burton. I guess, I don't know why, or when I even got it, but I knew I had it and I dug it up. I don't know, maybe I bought you 2 cards one year or something, I don't know.
I never saw this before. What did Larry and Curly say when putting the candles on your cake?
No, Mom.
We need Mo.
Hey,
we
Michael.
Need Mo.
Almost.
Oh!
I saw that, I don't know when it was, a while back, and I thought of you and I bought it. It's probably not even your birthday when I got it. And I forgot I got it. And I got you another one when it was your birthday or something.
It's I bought the card for Alan once. It was a birthday card. It had on the front. It had a black preacher giving a sermon. I was gonna give it to him as a joke.
Why didn't you?
I just thought, but it just passed it real quick. When I saw it, I said, man, it's hilarious. When I got it home, it's like, he's not that funny.
He's in there with a few others. We got a couple of them drawers.
You little sheep.
Nice. Oh, I like those colors, honey.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I like it. It's rich. I know it's his black pants, too.
Wow.
Back here? Nice.
Blue, black, white, jungle green, green and red.
No, I'm just saying because it wouldn't show up with that barbecue.
And white.
Bad. With the barbecue. Yeah, we went with the barbecue.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, shoot.
Is that all?
You can.
Let's see.
Bye, Uncle Rudy.
Okay.
Cat's gonna get hurt.
Mom says we might be able to go and shop some fireworks. Daddy, Mommy said we're gonna launch our fireworks tonight? Night?
Hi, Mama.
Hello, my darling. Happy birthday, sweet pie. A day late.
Yeah, thank you.
$1 short, too.
Yeah, many dollars short.
Yeah, many.
What?
Is this house just as you remembered it?
Just as I remembered it. We're all here.
He locks everything.
Hmm?
Alan locks everything.
Pretty street.
Morning. 11 o'clock. We made good time. Thank you,
We did.
guys. I appreciate that. I want you to forgive me and her. Her Afghan.
Sweet. No, Michael.
Well, sometimes they don't really want to let you in, so you have to just say, well, I'm going. Now the whole world can stop. We're going.
There's your Uncle Branch, Matthew, in the middle.
I'm waiting for it.
Is he?
Yes.
How was your birthday dress and everything?
Oh, no, couldn't take enough. He's a good boy. The last time.
Always keep your phone just for one.
Tommy? Wanna go hoopy scoop? What is that? Hmm? Say it. Can you say that?
Hoopy scoop.
What is it?
Hoopy scoop.
What's a hoopy scoop?
On your head.
On my head. You ride my shoulders? You turkey? Okay, we'll go in a little bit, alright? What? Oh. Mm-hmm. Pretty flash. Mmm.
Tonight. Oh, good. Well, we won't be having lunch for a while because I just got the chicken on. They're going to leave at 3. But anytime you can come, it would be great.
Batteries. Where did my batteries? Get one of your boys to go.
Well, they don't care if you don't dilly-dally. They just want to see
Go
you.
into the
Okay.
van and look in the drawer.
Whenever you want to come,
I'll have a sharp knife in there.
You need a sharp knife?
No,
well,
I
the
need
food
my
won't be
bat- I
done
think I've got
before 1.
batteries.
What
I
kind?
just put the chicken.
Double A.
Double
Okay.
A?
I got a whole package.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Let me see if I see it in here.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks, honey.
I've already exposed.
Well,
the
Claire's
film.
coming.
Oh, well, good.
Now,
All right.
I'll call Mindy.
Now get in touch with Mindy.
I don't think she can come, Mama, because she's...
Lainey. Do you have another quarter?
Well, that was just dear, right on tune, right? Giving you the word.
What'd you think? What? What's freaking out?
Hey, that's cheap entertainment.
How about?
Rainy day, help me out.
You know the song? Look at that, I got 3 of them this time. You gotta sing first.
How about?
Sing
I've
first.
got the joy, 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 joy down. You know that song? How about the angel song? Oh, well, I guess you're not going to get more quarters.
Is he getting tired? Did you want to give him food now?
He wants to get more.
Oh,
We're
okay.
trying to get him some.
I really did. I used to sing Set Me Up on the top of the pulpit thing, and I'd sing for Christmas.
Look at him, a lot or something.
Well, Mother never could sing. Mother always said, I can't sing, and you're going to. So she had me singing opera when I was
Well,
about 2 or
now,
3.
Bonnie could sing also beautifully.
Mother,
Wanted to, yes.
she wasn't very, she'd rather play the organ.
Yes, but she could always help out with altos that needed in
Yeah.
the church choir. She always could do that. I just couldn't get over her.
Do you remember Elizabeth Quace in Richmond?
Yes, of course I do. How is she?
They happened to see her the other day at the church.
And Billy and I, or were they?
Who's that? Ain't that Ella?
Uh,
No, they were younger.
they were younger?
Yes, yeah.
It's just because of the war they had age.
Yeah. Let's see, I'm 63, and that's a good picture.
God, you ate the whole thing.
That's where he's going, too. Now, all these things are meant to open.
They're meant to open.
Uh-oh. He found it out, too. He's real proud.
Hey,
Aren't you
Michael.
proud of yourself?
He did what? He did what?
He opened one and he turned around and looked at me with this, I knew I could do it. What are you doing?
What's he open?
He's trying to open the drawer, but
I know a lot of old people when I used to be so.
Lainey was worse.
No.
He's good. Or maybe it's just because we're used to it the second time. She wouldn't sit still for 2 seconds.
Who was that?
Lainey, when she was this age, she was, whew, God, a lot busier than he is. Here. Uh-oh.
Michael.
Take a break. Uh-oh, we know what that is. Poor in
Oh,
January.
that's a
She's
good
3 and a
age.
half.
Uh-huh.
You done, Michael?
So they don't do anything but. I never forget the last child show I went to, some special child. And they all, half of them turned around with their rear end to the audience and danced. It was the funniest thing I ever seen. Everybody just screamed. They're doing all these little steps, you know, and they all turned around and watched the teacher. She was in the back of them, you know. It was.
Actually, try to use those over there, which would be, either one's really fine, but I just thought everybody sit here with a pack of the same color plates. So you guys get those plates, and then you all have the phone.
I'm glad you're here.
Hello.
The dog.
He's such a nice, even temperament.
So you're still nursing?
Yes. Cape Hospital in Little City where we live.
Good.
I work in
What are you nursing? Which
obstetric.
Oh, wow.
A little bit of GYN.
GYN too?
So mostly I work in the birth center there, from the whole beginning to end, and I work in the nursery, the sick babies.
Yeah.
I love it. A lot of positives. I hate the other. And our hospital was just recently acquired. We went through a couple of years of very unstable
So it's
financial
privately
times.
owned?
Well, it is. It's not for profit.
state.
It's not for profit
Oh,
though.
it is not for profit?
It's not. It was. Well, you know, Columbia. Columbia was trying to.
Where do you drive? No, we live way out of the country. It's about 20 minutes from work. Okay. To the east. I drive now 20 minutes to the west. So towards Okeechobee.
Okeechobee, but it's not in Okeechobee.
That's it, perfect. And then,
Okay.
Burton, you go.
Oh, she's fading fast.
Tom ever gonna get here, you think?
Yeah, thanks for coming home, because Mindy will come and give it to you today. Maybe better give Mindy a call. Okay, bye, honey.
Is it gonna rain?
Well, later on, calling for it later today.
Is it really?
It's a mess. All the kids are having more ice cream.
Oh no! What are you eating, Lainey?
Can you talk?
Ice cream Snickers bar.
Delicious. A cute picture?
Oh yeah. You're a little ham. You know that? You're a little ham.
Yeah, just like Babe.
The pig?
Yeah.
Come play.
She sounds like Babe too.
Come pig.
Come,
Silly.
come pig.
I love her papa. I always did love her papa.
Pleased with you.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Yeah, I know. I can't maybe we'll get the I'm not twisted arm next to it. But maybe we don't understand.
Let's just give it. No, I didn't.
You are not.
I know my boys love it.
They do.
Oh my God. Yeah, he's coming up twice, and he's coming to that part each time. But, it's really sad. Hello. Love you, thanks for your help, honey.
Beautiful.
Oh boy.
Say hi. Say hi. Laney. You can push Michael on this car?
Push Michael, but not on the car.
I know when there was a gun boxes in school, when I was in school, it was because somebody planned on going hunting after school. It wasn't because of what they do now, you know?
No, Michael.
Graduated. How many black people
No.
there in our class? 5. I bet you it's 50%.
Shibu.
More than that.
Like 75% black, 25% white.
At Meadowbrook?
Good job, Alan.
Oh, have you?
Evil Knievel.
Okay, my turn? Okay. Lady, do you have any knives?
All the fireworks. I saw you.
I didn't have any fireworks, Daddy. It wasn't. Honey, that's a point. Yeah, that's a point.
Lainey. Lainey. Hi. Hi, Grandmother.
Hello.
I understand. What is this, April?
You mean two? Right. Okay, got it. Okay. What way are you going?
Boy,
Oh!
what a waste.
I got an idea. Want to hear a rock make a loud noise? Ah! This rock makes loud noises.
See how you gotta hold it away? How are you doing?
Fine, how are you?
I'm just excited to be here.
Oh boy.
Careful, Matthew, because it starts spitting out things. Okay? Oh, are those sparklers? Matt? What are those? Are those morning glories?
Morning glory.
Okay, careful, because they start spitting things out, I think. maybe not. I guess not. Go Uncle Hootie.
It's Rudolph. It's Uncle Rudolph.
Whoa. Alan, we're behind you.
We're gonna go to war.
We'll find out, won't we?
Those are little tanks. They shoot at each other if they're facing each other.
Look,
Did you have them face each other?
Yes, they're facing each other.
Okay, watch us not like that.
Oh, come on, yeah.
Stay back, stay back. They're not done.
Just shooting on fire.
Yeah, they're supposed to shoot at each other. Maybe the road's too rough.
Yeah, they're supposed to move.
Excuse me, Jason. I think that's it.
Everybody back!
Back up. Back up.
Holy!
Oh. Ah.
Oh my God! Everybody back!
Oh, parachute. Awesome. Whoa!
Cardboard everywhere.
That rules.
That was cool.
Happy July 5th.
July 5th.
Who's behind you? It's a baby Lainey.
Yeah, she's whining today. Aren't you?
Ready?
Where are
Ready?
we gonna go for dinner? Where are we gonna go for dinner? Where?
The what, Lainey?
Smoking pig? The Smokey Pig. Is Rudy packing his truck now? Does he want this chair?
I saw you, Lainey. Oh, look at that.
Come with me. Lainey, what is the problem? You put your face all over me. You're getting your yucky face all over me. What? Stop whining. Let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Ready to go home?
Yep. I guess.
But we're not. Let's go. Smokey Pig. Hey, boy. Oh, yuck. Y'all ready to eat? Pokey Pig? Smokey Pig?
That's Alan's mouth.
Hey, Lainey.
And Michael has Alan's mouth, too. With the hush puppies and the beer. You've got, each of you boys must have a hush puppy. One hush puppy. What is it?
You'll like
You won't ever, well, at least one.
You've probably had it before.
1996. We were all together except April and Alan over there somewhere. April and Rudy.
Cut, redo.
For Prozac, whichever comes first. On the 5th of July 1996, we is all together at the Smoking Pig. And Rudy and April have gone to look at something right around the corner, some of the pigs that aren't for sale. And we're all enjoying a bunch of hush puppies. And I'm enjoying the heck of it. One cold
beer.
Yeah. Been waiting all year, since September to get back here. You too?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And we got more company this time. Good.
Oh, bad picture. I'm going against the sun.
Oh.
What the boy? I was like, can this over dinner as much as I would like to? Sorry, I didn't realize.
Cut.
We gotta think about Uncle Rudy.
Uncle Rudy, I can do that too, see?
The door is open. Where did you go?
Uncle Rudy, you shut up the hall.
I'll be back. Tell her not to leave. Don't leave.
Oh.
Uncle Rudy.
Oh.
That's everybody.
It's even shaped like a barn. It's even got a door that looks like a barn.
Never been back here before.
See you in 2 years.
2 years.
Beautiful. And there's the sun. There.
Well, I asked someone who's still dining.
Who? Where? Who's still eating Smokey Pig? Shabu! Shabu!
He's off dining. You should have seen him when I got out of the van carrying these white boxes.
Shabu boo! Hey, I was still gonna pick some of those bones.
Well,
Too late.
he asked for the big one on the bottom, but I
Hey!
Oh, there you go. Good turn. Good turn.
I couldn't stop.
I know you couldn't. I saw you.
Matthew and Christopher, get in the tent and take those shoes off. Go get your regular shoes.
Yes, ma'am.
You got ready for all of your shoes already? I hope not. They haven't been treated yet.
Oh, Laney, you okay? Man, hit you right in the camera. Go booms, booms. Say happy camping.
Happy camping.
Oh. Hi, Michael. Michael.
This is your special seat. You're lucky you got the best seat in the house here.
Which crate?
Ready? Go find your sister and Daddy.
There's Mom's van, and here's...
Oh, candy camera!
Pretty picture. was telling my daughter my marriage is working in there.
I'm Helena. I'm Helena.
It's a good back shot, huh?
Yeah. So that's Lamar Tuck, huh?
That is him. Very nice man.
Is he?
Yeah.
Need more beer?
Well, shortly.
Okay.
Yeah. And if Rudy was here, he'd have the other side. He's missing out.
He's missing out a lot.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Beautiful.
See all that?
Said in the Oktoberfest they had about 500 people come.
Good Lord.
This is, you know, not even close to that, but it's real nice they did it for us.
Yeah. I'll say so.
Yeah.
There's Lainey.
Is that all she's gonna eat?
She doesn't want anything right now.
Well, I'm gonna go and get a beer.
Hey, there's Tira. Tira. Can you?
Looks good. Chili man.
I'm on the wrong side.
Why?
I'm right-handed.
Turn around.
What time's it at?
Alright. Get this side.
You like that horse? Huh? Hold on.
You riding the big horse?
Dad, are you next?
Yes.
You will ride the big horse. He'll ride the horse. I'll hold him. He'll ride. All right. You next. You riding the big horse. Put your hoof right there. All right. He'll ride.
So wet, it'll